Good evening everyone, this is my video tutorial. Geometrical construction. First step, use to command type L then enter. Then gawa ka ng line ng point 1. Then sa baba point 1 din. Yan, pagkatapos join mo sila. Then use to command type offset then enter. Then set mo yung distance nila ng 0.50. Ulit-ulit mo lang gawin hanggang sa makarating sa dulo. Then escape. Then use to command circle then enter. And green lines are indicator of circle center line. And gawin mo lang paulit-ulit. Then use to command trim. Then mirror na natin. Use to command mirror. Then rotate. Yes. Then use to command mirror ulit. Then rotate the object both. And yes. Then rotate lang natin. Move. Use to command trim, double enter. Trim the line. And trim lang paulit-ulit. Then pagkatapos i-join natin silang lahat. Then hanap tayo ng any color gusto natin ilagay. And yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.